Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can recover TikTok messages. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, go ahead, open up your TikTok app, then go to your profile at the bottom right corner, tap on this three dot line on top right corner, then tap on the settings and privacy, tap on account, tap on download your data, tap on direct messages, choose file either TXT or JSON form, tap on choose the direct message, and then simply go ahead, tap on request data. Once the data has been requested and submitted to you, you will tap on it and you will be able to check out all of the directed messages that you have sent, and that's how you can recover the messages. So that's how it works. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in our next video.